Welcome to the Teaching Learning Project. This assignment immerses you in the process of community health education. The assignment comprises a project worth 40 points. Remember, you must obtain verbal approval for the project from your instructor and your preceptor before implementation. The timeline for the project is flexible depending on the location of your assignment. The first step in the project is to create a teaching and learning abstract. This is due in Unit 2 and submitted in Unit 2. Although, if it takes more time to get a project set up, you may need to return to Unit 2 to submit the abstract. The abstract contains the topic of your teaching project, a brief description, the location of the project, and the target population for the project. The next step is submitting a proposal. You will write a plan of what you will teach at your agency or local school. Use the supplementary handouts on Bloom's taxonomy and the 3 dimensions of learning to determine your teaching plan. Remember, this plan must be pre-approved by your assigned clinical faculty before you teach it. The plan is made up of the assessment of the situation at your school or agency you are addressing. The next step in your proposal is to write up the planning and implementation part of the project. At this point, you will need to submit your plan proposal to your instructor for approval before implementing the rest of the plan. After you have implemented the plan, you'll write up an evaluation of how it went. You will also need to have your preceptor complete an evaluation. You will need to submit all of this documentation by the last section of the course in Unit 9.